You know that smell before a storm? Fresh. Earthy. Electric. There's a word for it, petrichor. And it starts before the first raindrop hits you. Let's break the magic down. Ingredient number 1, geosmin, the earthy note. Tiny soil bacteria called actinobacteria make a compound named geosmin. It's intensely earthy. Humans can smell it at parts per trillion. When dry soil is disturbed by wind, digging, or approaching rain, geosmin gets released into the air. Your nose picks it up long range. That after the rain smell? It's often bacteria advertising. We're here. Some plants and animals even use geosmin as a signal. Ingredient number 2, petrichor, the rock plant cocktail. The word comes from Greek, petra, stone, plus ichor, the fluid of the gods. Oils secreted by plants during dry spells coat rocks and soil. When the first drops fall, they aerosolize those oils into the air. You inhale a fine mist of microdroplets, carrying that signature smell. Researchers filmed raindrops hitting dry surfaces at high speed. Result: tiny bubbles trap air, then burst, launching scent-laden aerosols upward. Your nose is basically downwind from a natural diffuser. Ingredient number 3, ozone, the electric hint. Before storms, gust fronts push air ahead of the rain. Lightning and electrical activity split oxygen and nitrogen. Reactions can generate ozone. Ozone smells sharp, clean, slightly metallic. Carried by winds, it reaches you minutes before the storm. So the storm is coming smell? Part ozone cues, part soil plant chemistry, part bacterial perfume. Why do we notice it so strongly? Humans are absurdly sensitive to some natural odors, especially geosmin. Evolution may have tuned us to detect fresh water and soil microbes that signal life and safety. After heat and dust, rain means relief, cooling, and resources. Your brain tags that smell as important. Important smells pop. Season and place matter. Long dry periods let plant oils build up, stronger petrichor when rain returns. Soil type changes the mix. Clay versus sand releases aerosols differently. Vegetation adds its own volatile compounds, tweaking the scent. Urban storms can add asphalt, dust, even hot metal notes from infrastructure. No two rainstorms smell exactly the same. Cool micro moment, the first drops. If you've ever smelled rain before it starts, you likely caught geosmin kicked up by wind plus ozone ahead of the front. If you smell it with the first patter, that's petrichor aerosols launching off dry ground. After a long soak, the smell fades. The oils and dust are washed away, geosmin gets diluted. That's why that first wet hour is the loudest to your nose. Myths versus facts. Petrichor is just ozone. Nope, ozone's only one piece. The classic earthy tone is geosmin, the plant rock note is petrichor aerosols. You can only smell it after it rains. You can smell before. Wind-borne ozone and geosmin often arrive first. It's mold, different chemistry. Petrichor mildew. Quick field test, fun. Next time a storm rolls in, note 3 phases. Pre-storm breeze, sharp, electric, likely ozone. First drops on dry ground, lush, earthy burst, petrichor plus geosmin aerosols. Steady rain, scent softens as surfaces wash clean. You'll never smell rain the same way again. Recap. Rain's scent is a team effort. Geosmin from soil bacteria, earthy. Plant oils aerosolized by first raindrops, petrichor. Ozone carried ahead by storm winds, electric. Your nose reads the weather, long before the clouds reach you. Into everyday science that feels like magic? Subscribe. New long-form curiosity every Sunday.